do you have a community property agreement? And if so, do you know what it is and what it does? So if you live in a community property state like Washington or Idaho, you might have a community property agreement. Now, this is an actual separate document. It's not just that you and your spouse own things together, which would probably make the asset community property, but you've gone a step further. You've done a property status or a community property agreement. And that community property agreement can say everything we own is ours and everything we ever get will be ours. And upon the death of the first spouse, everything then goes to the surviving spouse. So the effect of that type of community property agreement is to say that when the first spouse dies, everything then belongs to the surviving spouse. Now, if you have a will that says something different than that, and you have a community property agreement that says everything goes to your spouse, it's going to be really unclear who gets what, and likely there's going to be some litigation where the court will look at, well, what was the date of the will? What was the date of the community property agreement? And those sorts of things. Was there an ability to revoke a community property agreement by doing a new will? None of that is going to be clear on its face. So if there is an inconsistency between a community property agreement and a will, you can expect that the court is going to have to resolve that question.